Welcome back. Today we are on an adventure. I am off for my annual migration to Tellico Plains, Tennessee. This is the start of year 4 of paddling, essentially for me, my unofficial alphaversary to me. Heading en route to get there. I'm actually going to be able to go and get my PFD on Wilson Creek. So today I'm going to go meet Corey and Dave. Go ahead out here to Wilson Creek, and this is going to be our PFD for all 3 of us on this thing. So I know I'm pretty excited about this. This one's been on my list for quite some time now. Excited to see how this goes. So let's get on it, y'all. Let's go find some water.
Wilson Creek Gorge. What an absolute beautiful gem this place is. This was on the list for me, and I just happened to have the opportunity to meet Corey and Dave on this day as we were all traveling to ALF in 2024. I got there a little bit early, so I was able to drop by and just take in some of the scenery and the beauty of this gorge by myself before it was time to put in and get going for the day.
All right, crew, here we are. Wilson Creek put in. We got, where's he at? Where's he at? There he is. Mr. Worldwide, Dave here behind me. What up? Mr. Worldwide number 2. Corey. There he is behind me. Let's get this, fellas. Off we go. Wilson Creek Gorge. Take one.
Now this is going to be the PFD for all 3 of us this day. We were going to kind of take our time, read and run, and pull out, and essentially run this river blind. We would stop and take our time where we were needed to scout the rapids, but we were excited for just an amazing time. As always, I'll try to put in the name of the rapids and stuff and the sections of this river as I know them. I may not know them all, and I apologize if I get any incorrect. I know this section is considered the ledges section. I don't know exactly where it starts or ends, but I figured I would at least show what I could down through here and let you guys enjoy all the beauty as we see it. And the fun we get to have as we go down through here too.
Good? Oh, that's a fun little slide.
Yeah, I didn't go down the slide. I kind of went down the chokiness. And
Right off the bat, we had some fun slides. Of course, we pulled out here just to take a look at some of the places in the water and try to read what was there, find the correct routes.
yeah, don't go left.
I think we didn't run the standard routes all day on some of the rapids, but we did have an absolute blast.
It looks like a good boost. Yeah, dude, you could even like come up on the...
This is the Rockspin section. I think Corey got this one actually before me. I did get it on video. I didn't have enough speed and did not get it, but it was still fun to hit.
Stuck on a rock!
And as you can see, navigating this can be a little fun and challenging as well through some of these rocks and boulder gardens. But it's absolutely beautiful down through this gorge. And at Little Woodall, we pulled over to scout a little bit. And I decided to go ahead and hop on my boat and give it a go. And if you ain't messing around, you're not having fun. So I'm about to mess around and find out right here. All in good fun. And Corey got a view of this as well for me. And as we go through the day, there'll be a few different sections where I have some video, and then there's some secondary video that Corey was nice enough to share with me as well. And all the way down through the gorge, it's kind of jangly here and there. I hear this was a decent level for your first time down through here as well, so we had a great time.
Oh, this is above 10-foot falls, isn't it? I think
As you see, we're at the bank above 10 feet here. We hop out,
Yeah, get that eddy, look down again.
scout here. And like I said, we did hop out and scout quite a bit.
S-turn. Watch that rock!
So we'll go down here and hop out again and take another look.
Throws you right into it, huh?
And then Corey will actually be the first one to actually run this.
There you go.
I got footage of that from down below. We did multiple places, set up safety below to make sure we were good throughout the day as well. And as expected,
Here it comes!
Corey nails this perfectly. He has the prettiest line of the entrance 10-foot and 10-foot falls run of the day. This was a really fun section to come down through. I did not have the best line. But the fun side is I did get my second roll of the day, so that's always a plus as well. It would be nice to run that line a lot better. Then it is Dave's turn.
Come on, Dave, hold it! Hold it!
Styling it backwards a little bit. Dave making it look pretty, and I thought he was going to hold this one out. And then we go through the maze section here, and just a lot of good scrappy slides and eddies to catch as you go down through here as well. And I know some of this is not exciting, but I like to leave this so folks can see all the way down a river sometimes.
Right here? Are you going straight up? And go through. There you go.
Coming up is Boat Buster and Thunderhole. There you see Corey running Thunderhole. I got the bottom half of that for him. Then I got me running both Boat Buster and then Thunderhole. I understand at different levels there's a couple different ways to run this. We ran the left side and tried to catch this tongue here. The swirly hole and try to get lined back up with Thunderhole there.
Woo! It is a little squirrely at the bottom. Come on in here. Come on in here. You got it, baby.
And I gotta admit, running a river that the three of us never had ran before was pretty fun. This is a good river because you actually have a lot of places you can get out and scout as well. So this was pretty cool for all three of us to get to share this together.
I did just what you did. Oh, that's fun. I love these slides, man. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
It's always nice to have some fun shenanigans as you go down the river with your buddies.
Oh, nice.
And as we come down through here, I remember seeing triple drop quite a few times from Pete of River King's videos. So we drop in, and I just sail on by Corey here to just go rip it all the way down through here for this fun ride.
Yeah! Yeah! There's a couple more holes I thought in there. Yeah! That's a good hole. Here comes a good one. Boom. Yeah! Nice break, Dave. Oh, that was Oh no. Oh,
And
no.
it seems like this section gets its name. Honestly.
I was gonna sell out. Oh, the heat is off.
Nice work. Nice.
Boom. Yeah.
Coming up is this auto booth section. I think this section is typically ran to the right, and when we looked that day, we felt that right rock was undercut. We don't know for sure now that that was. It seems like that's the section and the way everybody typically runs this section. So I think we missed a good little slide there. Going to be coming up is the Razorback section. We did hop out to scout this, and unfortunately Corey's boat got away from him. I won't say how, but somebody down the river you will see chasing that boat, and that may be how that happened. So Dave went ahead and ran it, and I ran down afterwards, and then I eddied out behind the rock, and we were able to pull my boat back up so Corey could run down Razorback as well here. Corey looks good in stripes, I just gotta say. Ooh, rawr. You know, Huntley's retreat, once again, we hop out and get a scout of what's going on. Corey and Dave ran it, and then I hop on in and come on down as well.
Yeah.
A few more shenanigans in the way there.
Baby.
And as you can see coming up on the left there is the infamous rock slide where you can pull out, slide your boat down into there. So we all gave our try at sliding down into the pool below. Corey styling once again as always. He has the style points for the day. I almost run over Corey here.
Uh-oh. Sorry, Dave. Where's my Corey?
And the view from Corey's cam. Dave came out here. We thought this hole was okay. So Corey and I went back up for another one, and poor Dave was stuck down there still swirling around for a little bit, so we did help him out.
Yeah.
And rail slide is pretty much your last noticeable feature of the day here. You'll finish that. You'll have a little bit more of a section as the gradient decreases. It's no longer as steep. You'll finally make your way on out to the takeout to River Left. Walk your way up the stairs. It's the end of a great day here.
All right, folks, successful day on Wilson. Dave, nice work. Corey, nice work. Thanks for hanging. Until next time, y'all, let's go find some water, baby. Wilson's.